Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Uncle Nate with
Ayden The Shark. So this was my first dirt race, and I started sixth, and it took my go-kart a minute to catch up to everybody. So everybody just kept on pushing and shoving each other, and she goes out wide because the number one kart just gave her a little bump in the middle of the corner.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun. Like Ayden was saying, this is our first time on dirt. There's only one heat race. We only got 20 laps of practice, and we were really impressed with how fast he caught on the dirt. And we just get faster throughout the night. We'll have some more of those videos soon to come. Tell us what's going on right now. What's different about the dirt versus the asphalt here?
If you get bumped in the middle of the corner and you go up high, you lose traction and you spin out. And it's a little more fun because you can push each other off, and you can slide.
So as you hit or bump into somebody, instead of it hurting so much, it kind of just pushes and slides around?
Yeah.
And you like that a little better?
Mm-hmm.
What don't you like about it?
Really nothing right now.
Nothing so far?
Yeah.
So we're really liking the dirt. Right there, Ayden got bumped coming out of turn 2, and you can see how you get up in those marbles and it's pretty much over. Did a good job of saving it there, buddy.
Thank you.
But that put us back to the back of the field where we started, and we pick up the last couple laps here and picked up a 6th place, but we do a lot better in the main race, which we'll have video of soon. We really want to thank all of our core sponsors for 2023. Without this, it wouldn't be possible.